welcome to this video for the Audi Q2. As you've already read in the advert, this has had damage repaired to the rear side. So the rear side was damage repaired, as you've seen in the photos. As you can see, it's a lovely colour. I think they call this the quartz grey metallic. It's absolutely freezing here today, so do mind out for the how should I say, the steam coming out of my mouth. Right, okay, so it was this side that was damaged. So apparently it had a scrape down there and didn't. So this is what the area. So let's concentrate on this area here. As you can see, the paintwork's very shiny. That's just a bit of water there. It's obviously freezing here today. That's the fuel cap there. Have a good look round there. Obviously the car went into the Audi dealership and they didn't find anything wrong with the vehicle at all. There are some telltale signs of so there's a very light, is it very light? I don't, let's have a look there. Very lightest of little tiny scratch there on the paint, or lacquer should we say. Very minute. In fact, that might even buff out that bit. And that's pretty much, oh sorry, this part here. So this panel, apparently this panel, as you can see, it's got some very light lacquer scratches on there. You can't see it from here, to be fair. It's only when you get down level with it you can see it. I think that's why whoever's repaired it just left it. But they thought, do you know what, it's the original one. It's got some very light lacquer scratches, but you can't see it. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, that door, if you open the door, as you can see, it's all good. Bit of water, obviously. There's water there, that's all. And then all around here. Obviously underneath as well. The rest of the car, so we'll go through the rest of the car. Obviously it's all immaculate. I'll stop if I see anything at all. There's a little, I don't know what's happened here, there's a little tiny hairline crack on that plastic there. A little tiny bit there, as you can see. Must point that out to you. So there's a little crack there on that little piece of plastic, and that is it. Okay, so all this is nice. Obviously nothing happened to the front windscreen, obviously unmarked as well. Is this the windscreen? Totally unmarked. Back to the wing mirrors are clean. You can see, I didn't show you this one, did I? Show you that one. The roof's in good condition. Obviously, that wing totally unmarked. That door unmarked. Now on this door here, there's a little bit of I think somebody in a supermarket's done that, where someone's opened the door and got in and out of the car and just scratched the lacquer on that door. What a shame on that door there. Just a little tiny mark to report. Everything else immaculate. Start off in the boot. We just ordered a rear shelf off from the dealers, actually, this one, because it's missing. I can't find the rear shelf, so that's had to be ordered off of the dealer. So that's coming soon. There's a spare wheel in here. Now these cars don't actually come with a spare wheel, so this was an extra which someone's put in here. And also in that bag is all the tool kit, and there's a first aid kit here as well. So that's a jack and brace in there. So this is a spare wheel which someone has placed in, because they don't usually come with a spare wheel, these, at all. As you can see, the height of that boot there to that tyre's a lot higher. Obviously you can move this and have this as a lower, if you know what I mean. So it's a, I forgot what they call it now, a dual height floor. Up here's nice and clean, and you've also got the electric tailgate button there as well. Let's go to the other side. We've seen that side, so let's go to the other side. Show you the seats. So it's got electric folding heated wing mirrors, 4 electric windows. That's the child lock for the windows and the doors, so both the windows and the doors will lock when you press that button. Got the automatic lights. Obviously that seat's like new. We've only 4,000 miles on the clock. So inside, what have we got? So 4,069 miles there, look, 4,069 miles. So I think it got here when it said 3,900. So we've given it a good test drive, make sure it's correct and there's nothing wrong with it. We took it to the Audi dealer in Doncaster, which is about 20 miles away from us. Cruise control down here, which is good, because that's an extra cruise control. And then you've got obviously your computer switches on your steering wheel, automatic wipers, your indicator stalk. We have also only got one key with this vehicle, unfortunately, so there's only one key, and if you want a spare key you have to take the logbook in your name with the driving license as ID to have a spare key cut from the main dealer. So that's the other negative, that's all we can say. So obviously we'll work with you on that one. Drive select, so this has got the driving mode, so when you press that you can have it on comfort, auto, dynamic, which means it uses more fuel, it goes faster. Individual, you can set that to your own individual specifications. So we'll leave it on comfort, that's the most energy saving mode. It's got air conditioning, as you can see, heated rear screen, you've got the USB input port there, the 12 volt there, the drinks holder, which is very clean, and then you've got the volume control on and off, power switch for the hi-fi. That button there is for that, so you can have that out of the way. Oh, sorry, that's off. Powered off, and that's it. So if you don't want the screen in your face when you're driving, like you can hear the stereo, yeah, so you can have the screen off if you want to. So if you put the radio on, you can see the radio, but that might be a little bit bright at night for you, so you can have that off and still have the radio on. So you've got the sat nav, as you can see, you've got the reverse parking sensors. So this has got the reverse parking sensors, which is the beepy one, so it's the beepy parking sensors. Down here you've got all these controls, as you can see, menu, you've got auto hold as well, you've got the electronic parking brake, and you've got the 6-speed gear lever there as well. In here you've got an armrest. Inside there you've got some USB charging points as well, and an aux. And that is about it in here. Right, the paperwork from the Audi dealer, as you've seen already. Also, this comes with a what do you call it, a service plan. So as you can see, that's us there. So we paid for the service at the dealership, and this vehicle comes with a service plan. So it says here you've got another service plan, which is the minor service, which is the oil service and inspection service to come next year. So that's included. So this is the proof you need to take to the Audi dealer if you buy this. You've got the health report here. Everything is green. There's no recommendations at all. And then obviously you've got the complete service record, which you can see. The first one was, so a delivery mileage, 6 miles. It was delivered by Glasgow Audi. And then the first owner had it serviced after, wait a minute, date 2020. After a year for 14 months later, 1,570 miles. That's the mileage, that's all they did. So I think it was a retired lady what had this vehicle, a retired chap. So that was it. And then obviously you can see the mileage we've got it done at 4,044 miles when it went to the Audi dealer in Doncaster. In here you have got the SD card holders, etc., for the SIM cards, for the sat nav, etc. All that's nice and clean in here as well. What else have you got? Some visors as well with the mirrors. Let's look under the bonnet. So I'll switch the engine off. Look under the bonnet so you can hear me talk. Pull the key out. Okay. Right, okay, so under here, as you can see, it's got a bonnet damper. The engine bay is like brand new. It's good to know. So everything is really nice and clean, obviously just being serviced, so it's full of Audi screen wash. That's the Audi main dealer screen wash there. It's got a proper genuine stop start battery on as well, which is the Audi fitted item. As you can see, it's made by this company called Moll from Germany. Like I said, this did not sustain front end damage at all. It was just the side rear quarter damage. So everything under here is untouched. If there was anything out of the ordinary, the Audi dealer would have stated that on their health report. So it has got the Audi warranty as well until March 2023. So it's got the Audi warranty there, and this also comes with an additional year's warranty as well, with a warranty company we use called Warranty Assist. So additional warranty on that as well for another year. So we're in December at the time of the video, so you've got 15 months warranty with this vehicle. 15 months warranty. Obviously no faults were found at the service, otherwise the Audi dealer would have rectified it free of charge. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon. Thank you.